Hey, if you are wondering what parts you can clean with water or by using some wet wipes in the Xiaomi Vacuum Cleaner G20 Max. So the first part, the HEPA filter that is available over here next to the engine. This first pre-filter, we can also use water to clean this. We are also able to clean this filter with water. It's fully plastic part with aluminum over here. But I want to mention then the water stacks over here. So you have to take off water from this one. I can recommend you to roll over paper and simply put it on the left side. Now after like 2 or 3 hours, put it on the right side and repeat like 2 or 3 times in the 24-hour time. You have to actually let it dry for 24 hours. And also we can clean with water this dust container. There is no any electric part over here, so you don't have to worry about any damage. And of course this part, do not put water here, because here you can find a battery and engine. And yeah, that's basically everything. So we can clean this, and also this with water, or for example by using wet wipes.